Take you back out to Lakefront Drive in southwest Mobile County, where a confirmed tornado hit overnight.
Megan Mackey is there live this morning to show us the damage. Good morning, Megan.
Good morning, Jessica and Bill. Yeah, this morning we're starting to see some of the damage now that the sun has come up. This home right here is the back of one of the homes along Lakefront Drive. You can see some of the pots here have been broken. The benches have been flipped over and a tree even fell on top of this home. The homeowner actually got on top of the roof in the middle of the night to put a tarp on top of it so that the water would not seep through. And this is about 75 yards from the lake here. Some of the kayaks that were in the water were actually flown into the living room here as his mom was sitting there. He says he was awake at the time of the storm, and he says it just tore through so fast he got the tornado warning as the debris was smacking against the back of his home.
The alarm went off on our phone, the alert. We got into the hallway, it was over. It lasted 10 seconds. Just the rush, you hear the rush, the wind, stuff hitting the windows, and by the time we got into the living area and my wife was calling her mom, it was over.
There's definitely going to be a lot of cleanup that needs to be done here and some roof repairs, but the homeowner, Joe, tells me he's just glad it wasn't worse. And he says everyone inside the home here was not injured. And now throughout the morning, we will go through other parts of Lakefront Drive and bring you the damage later right here on WKRG. Reporting live in Mobile County, Megan Mackey, WKRG News 5.